how do I kill wild strawberry plants? They're all over my yard. I've tried weed killer for 3 consecutive years, but they appear again. And this is Anil on YouTube, the wild strawberry plants, which are broadleaf weeds. So you would need a broadleaf herbicide, something that contains 2,4-D, MCPP, dicamba. Folks, read and follow the label. The best time to apply this though is when that plant is going to be actively growing. And guess when that's going to be? Spring, fall.
When they're young and tender.
Spring in the fall. That's going to be the best time, because in the summertime, it's just too hot. It's just too hot.
And a lot of your weeds grow because you're grass or you don't have mulch.
Right.
And it's not a good soil for plants.
That's right.
And that's where you get your weeds. They
Exactly
thrive in a desert of poor soil. So if you could if you could add some amendments, you'll start getting grass or the flower bed. If you mulch, you keep that from happening.
You're exactly right. And I always tell folks, let me go back, cultural practices first. Make sure you have the right grass species for that area. Okay, because if not, the weeds are going to outcompete the grass. So culturally, make sure you're fertilizing according to the soil test, watering deeply but infrequently. Okay, take care of those problems, you should be okay. But if you have to use an herbicide, which is what I think he wants to do here, a broadleaf weed herbicide would do it. Read and follow the label. Spring, fall. Again, not while in the summertime. You don't want to spray any of your pesticides when it's above 85 degrees. Okay, so that's why you would do that. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, subscribe. We have hundreds of family plot videos for you to view.